Hey, this is Digital Dave with another cryptocurrency and blockchain update. So it's been a little while since I made a cryptocurrency video. The last one I uploaded on YouTube was talking about my top 4 Digital Dave life and health hacks. And I originally posted that video on Theta.tv. And guys, if you and gals, please follow me on Theta.tv because that will be the last video I post on the Crazy for Crypto's YouTube channel about health and wellness. So check out my channel on Theta.tv/crazyforcryptos, the link below. You can click that directly, follow me there. It's free to follow me on Theta.tv. And then you can earn a little bit of Tfuel just by tuning in. So pretty cool stuff. So this is the first video I've done about crypto in a few weeks actually. And my most recent video was for the Patreon group only. I've been doing more exclusive videos just for the group. The group is growing rather large, and a lot of the information I'm keeping within the group because I want to add as much value as I possibly can in the group, and that is what I've been doing for 2.5 years. That's how old the Patreon group is, 2.5 years old. So it seems to be a lot of happy members there, and we're making some good money. And we've made a lot of good money with Theta token. Got on my Theta t-shirt. And there's some really interesting things going on with Theta. And one thing is I had a conversation with the team at Theta earlier today. And we were talking about NFTs, non-fungible tokens. And a lot of people are like, what the heck is an NFT? What is a non-fungible token? And you know, my response is it's unique or rare digital artwork. It can be a still image, it could be a GIF, it could be a clip of a movie clip or any type of MP4. That can be an NFT and it can be made unique. And some people say, well, I can just make an image, make a copy, screenshot of an NFT and I've got it. But to me, that's like the Mona Lisa. There's only one. There's only one real Mona Lisa. But anybody can have a photo of it, a postcard of it, or whatever, an image of the Mona Lisa, but it's not the Mona Lisa. With an NFT, it is a unique, a verifiably unique or rare digital asset. And it's how we can freely move rare assets, you know, within a second all the way across the world. Imagine trying to ship the Mona Lisa from Thailand to South Africa. That would take, that ain't gonna happen, all right? So that's the beauty of NFTs, that's the beauty of blockchain, the beauty of crypto, because there's so many things you can do with it. NFTs it's really starting to heat up, and some people are worried that they're missing the boat. And my response is that the blueprints for NFTs are just now being created. So there's no boats that's leaving the dock anytime soon. We're the architects right now, and we're getting in at the perfect time for NFTs. Now, it was a great call I had with Theta Labs earlier and answer some questions. And right now, as you may know, if you're looking at NFTs or trading them, you can go to OpenSea.io, link below, and you can see the NFTs for sale there. That even includes .crypto domains. So what Theta's doing. Okay, let me back up a little bit. The challenge with OpenSea is that the Ethereum fees are so high. They're so high, it's making it problematic for people to swap and trade NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain with OpenSea.io. Now, when Theta comes out with, they're going to have their own marketplace for NFTs, their own unique marketplace, and that is due to be live sometime mid to late April. All right. So that's coming up in about a month or maybe maximum 2 months. Theta's going to have their own unique marketplace to sell, for people to sell their NFTs or trade their NFTs. So someone asked about can a Theta NFT be traded on OpenSea? No, it cannot. It's only compatible with the Ethereum blockchain. So it's totally independent, totally unique. And I believe what's going to happen from the conversation I had earlier, I asked Theta, I said, or the team at Theta, I said, do you see the Theta marketplace being as popular as OpenSea.io? And the response, it was a pretty confident response, and it was no, not right off the bat, no. But they are aiming to overtake OpenSea.io as far as, and maybe even Raribles, for space in the NFT space. So they feel pretty confident. They got some tricks up their sleeve. They obviously cannot tell me everything. They got tricks up their sleeve. But one thing that they did tell me though is that if someone were to offer the a Theta-based NFT on the Theta marketplace, the domain name is has yet to be determined. But if somebody were to offer sell an NFT, if I were to get on there and sell a Crazy for Cryptos NFT or Digital Dave NFT, I can have like a live stream while the auction's going on. So I can be there sitting there talking. I'll be like, hey, so-and-so, I appreciate you bidding on my token. Good luck to you. And then someone maybe outbids them. Hey, I know you. I know you in the group. Hey, this is awesome. I appreciate you guys, bidding on the C4C NFT. So I think that's going to be a little edge I think they're going to have, and they've got other tricks up their sleeve, like I said earlier. I'm confident that this is going to be bigger than OpenSea. I think the Theta marketplace is going to be even bigger than the Ethereum marketplace for NFTs. Really, really cool things. Now here's something else what's going on with Theta is that recently Sony has been announced that they are a Theta blockchain validator, enterprise validator. And there's only 14 validators that can exist. And Theta Labs, they choose the validator. Not just anybody can say, I want to be a validator. Anybody can run a Guardian node with 1,000 or more Theta. But a validator is an enterprise that usually holds 5, maybe even 10 million tokens, Theta tokens, and they verify transactions on the blockchain. Where the Guardian node comes in is that we verify the verifiers. So kind of like we cross-check each other to make sure all the transactions are legit and everything's secure. So pretty cool how that works. So with Sony being an enterprise validator, this is really big news. So we have Sony, Google, and let's see, Sony, Google, and Samsung are three of the main validators. So these three huge juggernaut companies they want to see Theta succeed. We've got, like I said, Google, Samsung, and Sony, three juggernauts. They want they want Theta to do really well. They have invested into the company, so to speak, by buying shares called the Theta token, which you may have right now if you're watching this video. And really exciting to have these companies backing them up. So, some people ask, they have a fear that maybe Google's going to take it over and buy them out. No, I don't think that's possible to buy out Theta Labs or whatever. So I don't think there's any risk for that at all. I believe that Theta is going to be it's going to be an open source blockchain that's for video streaming, gaming, communication, even sending files through the Theta blockchain is possible. I really believe this is the new internet that we are investing in. Imagine investing into cell phone infrastructure back in the 80s. Most people couldn't do that. This is our chance to invest in the video infrastructure and the new internet. 2.0, 3.0, whatever version we're at right now. Some people say 3.0 is where we're at now. This is our chance to invest in this new internet and this new video content delivery system. Really cool stuff going on. Theta is done really, really well. As you probably know, if you've followed my channel for a while, you know that it got in real early with Theta at less than 10 cents. It's now, at the time of this video, it's about $3.70. And I posted in my group, I said, a buy up to price. People say, well, give us a buy up to price. So once it gets to a certain price, you can still buy after that price, but a buy up to price means that anytime the price goes below this dollar figure, it's like a no-brainer. Just buy it, because it's so cheap. I've got a buy up to price of $5 and as much as $10 for Theta now, and I've moved the goalpost a few times. But I keep learning more about these new projects coming out. I'm like, wow, I'm getting so excited. This whole NFT space I think it's going to be killer. It's going to be killer. So again, I've said buy Theta. This is my investment opinion only, and I'm not a financial advisor, so just keep that in mind, okay? I've just told my group, I said buy Theta up to $5. Don't even think about it. If you're a trader and you want to try to time it and get cute with that, go for it. And I've even said buy up to as much as $10. Again, this is only my opinion. It's not set in stone that Theta's going to go to $20 this year, which is what I said a long time ago. Not set in stone. It most likely will go to $20 and even beyond this year. for the Theta token. But do your own research. Don't just follow my advice here. Look at some other videos. There's a lot of videos on YouTube now talking about Theta, and some of these people have price predictions too. And some of them are similar to mine. Some of them are even more optimistic than mine for $20. I've actually raised my price prediction for Theta to go anywhere between $20 and $80 this year, anywhere in that frame. Okay, if it only goes to 20, that's great. If it goes to 80, then that's even better. But if it only goes to $17 and misses about $3, I think that people are still going to be pretty happy with what's going on with their price and with their investment. Now here's the sleeper coin that people treated badly, and I've said it before. And this is the Tfuel token. And a lot of people, they're like, I'm bullish on Theta, but I'm bearish on Tfuel. And I'm like, what? That doesn't make any sense. It makes no sense at all. And I posted in my group, I said, get Tfuel, buy as much as you can at a penny or less than a penny. It was less than a penny for the longest time, and I was like, this thing's gonna blow, and it sure did. Like a few weeks later, it just blew up, and now Tfuel is, I believe it's about 13 cents. Tfuel has gone up about 45x. If my math is correct. Is my math right? Yeah. Tfuel's gone up about 45 times in a year. 45 times in a year. I still think Tfuel's going to go to about 50 cents or even higher this year. So I've got a projected price of between 50 cents and as much as 80 cents. Maybe even, it might even get close to $1 this year. So we still got room to grow for Tfuel, in my investment opinion. Get some Tfuel as well. Load up on that Tfuel. I still think it's a pretty good price. We've got the Theta mainnet coming out, mainnet 3.0 coming out April 21st. I think that's the date. So at the end of April, the 3.0 is coming out. And what's happening is people are buying up Tfuel as much as they can because they will be able to stake their Tfuel and earn a pretty good income. Okay. Someone did some calculations on that. I believe it was, I know Big Dog 1111 had a video about it. You can check out his channel, Big Dog 1111, about the passive income that you can earn by staking Tfuel. And the numbers are pretty great. I mean, it's like people can actually make a living by having, say 500,000 Tfuel, which is the maximum. A lot of people can make a living with the interest earned from validating the transactions by running an elite edge node. And if these numbers are correct, well, these are estimates only, but if these numbers are correct, it's going to be with a 500,000 Tfuel investment. Again, if these are correct, that the interest that you're going to be able to earn, that you will earn with Tfuel, that you're going to earn about $2,000. I'm being a little bit conservative. I think it was $2,400 was the number, but I'll say maybe it's about $2,000 a month that you can earn by staking Tfuel in an elite edge node. Okay, this is why Tfuel has gone up. And this is why I said just a few months ago, I said buy Tfuel, because there's going to be people buying it and they're going to hold on to it and they're not going to trade it away. This is not a tradable crypto. Theta is not a tradable crypto. People are buying these because they're able to earn money off of that. Why would you sell your passive income generator? Why would you sell that? Why would you trade it away? It makes no sense. And there's opportunity there. There's big opportunities with Theta and Tfuel, and I still think it's okay to get some. And if you do want to buy it and then trade it away, if it goes up 5x this year or whatever the number is going to be, make some profit. That's great. But a lot of people are buying these cryptos so they can earn a passive income and not have to work an 8 to 5, 9 to 5 job and get away from the grind. They could just stay at home and tend to their elite edge node on the computer. There's also you could also delegate that to another EEN, which I have details on the Patreon, or I will, because I'm keeping all this up to date within the Patreon group. By the way, if you want to join Patreon, I highly recommend it. It is it's so cheap, it's almost free. It's like, it's less than $19 a month. I've said this before. I've said it's really free, because if for $19 a month, all you have to do is earn, get an idea that's worth $20 for you, and it's free. And I think I've got a lot more value than the $20 a month value in there. But anyways, I just say, let me just say this, it's good value in my opinion. And there's a lot of very happy members in there. Get a lot of testimonials in the group. So check it out. If you don't like it, you can just say, David, it's not my deal. give me a refund. All right, no worries. Yeah, if you check it out, if you check it out for a day, you say, hey Davis, it's not my cup of tea. I'll send you a refund. No worries. I don't argue with anybody like that. So we're having a good time. We're making money. That's the thing too. We're having a good time as well, because if we're not laughing and have a good time while we're making our gains, this whole thing is a journey. This whole thing's a journey. It's not just about making enough money to buy a couple of Lambos. It's not about that. It's actually the part of the journey too. And I'm trying to make this journey as fun as possible and as adventurous as possible. And that's what I'm doing in the group. So check it out. It's patreon.com/crazy4cryptos. Patreon.com/crazy4cryptos. All right, this is DD. I'll see you in the next video.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now. This is cancer.